Assalamualaikum. I hope you guys are fine, and you can see here I have an Epsom salt. It is nearly 2 years old Epsom salt I have, and I was purchased online from online application Draz. And you guys can see here the Epsom salt is the type of fertilizer which is necessary for the growth of the plant's leaf, and also it is type of magnesium, and other particles are also included in it. So the reason is that Epsom salt can't be expired. Only we are use Epsom salt for the spray, and you can see here if you buy Epsom salt 1 kg, it will be easily for the 35 plant. When we use nearly 3 to 4 years, 1 kg Epsom salt is enough for your plant here. And you can see this one is 2 years old, and I am using every 30 to 40 days to my plants leaf growth, especially in the winter season. And I will spray the Epsom salt. So you guys can see here it is nearly 2 grams of Epsom salt here, and half liter bottle of the plastic bottle I have here. So I will put all these rocks of Epsom salt into the bottle and fill it with the water. So you guys need to wait when I put all these in here and fill with the water. And also via this spray you can spray on your plant. The I am pausing here video, and you will see the result when I fill it, and also after 15 days you will see the growth of the plants. I will show you in this video how to use Epsom salt to your plants. I'm pausing video here. Okay guys, after the mixing and shaking the bottle, all Epsom salt is mixed here. So you guys can see, because of the cold weather and in winter when we have a sunny day like this, now it is sunset time, so we are in the early morning when or afternoon, we can spray the Epsom salt in your plant. So if you don't have a Epsom salt, you can only spray simple tap water, and but Epsom salt is help to the grow your plant shooting area like that. So you see these plant nearly have a 20 days here, and these plant leaves are fall down, but new shoots are not growing well because of the winter. So only we are spray like that on like that plant like this. Only this kind of spray is enough. Remember one thing, Epsom salt water can't be used in tomato and other vegetables like cucumber and chilies. We can't use the Epsom salt water in the soil of the vegetables like tomato, capsicum, chilies and cucumber, because the white type of problem is came, and it break the calcium of the vegetable, and so the peel and vegetables are not grow well. Only we can spray like that on our plants like this, you can see here. So I spray here for the shooting area will be grow fast. Here this plant shooting area is also slow, so that's why we are spray like our plant like this. So it is the way the spray using leftover water only we are use here in the rose plant for the growth. So you can see here only 50 ml is enough for this plant. It is nearly 2 feet from the bottom to higher level. It is a 2 feet of the uh, desi rose. We called it local Indian rose. You guys can see here this branch is dead already, but I am not removing it because nowadays is a winter, and you can see because of the winter uh, lemon is not providing me fruiting, but I already used all kind of fertilizer which plant is needed. So uh, in this condition you can spray only simple tap water. If you use the Epsom salt on lemon plant, it will grow fast. The plant leaves and flowering. So that's how we are use Epsom salt to the our plant in winter, and you can use in summer too, but I use less in the summer. So I already told about you the rose, how we can every 30 days, if we are late, 30 days, in 30 days one time is enough. And now I was see my moringa plant here. The shoots are stop here, but it is still green, not fast growing here. So that is the reason on moringa plant I will also the spray Epsom salt like that. And same here, we will use Epsom salt in type of daisy flowers. So this kind of Epsom salt is better. Epsom salt have a two types. One is agriculture level type, and second is for the bath we use. So both are good for the all kind of plants, like chilies, like that, like tomatoes. Only we can spray like that. Remember, when we have a chili plant, we can only spray like that, but not put all the water in the soil. Remember one thing, this all plants need Epsom salt for the better growth, especially flower plants, and especially for flowering I use Epsom salt for my all plants. But I saw my all plants are weak, and it is nearly 2 months I haven't time for the give my plant the Epsom salt. So that's why. And you can see it is a baby moringa plant. We can use Epsom salt. I already use and take really better result from the my plant. And you guys can see the moringa color is changing, turning green from the brown, but this kind of brown is maturity brown, not like a this kind of dieback brown. You can see the difference between this brown and this brown. You can see here the difference. Let me clear. You can see the difference. So moringa is better grow in the ground soil, not in the pots. But I lot of take care of them. So when season will appear and came in February, I will prune my moringa plant from the hair, and it will grow again fast like an umbrella. It will grow and providing me leaf. Okay, leftover water I have left here and for using. Okay, leftover water is here, and only 20 to 50 ml I will give them to my all these plant, because these plant already have so much water. And like this, you can see we are only give them into the rose plant. Remember this. I hope you guys are understand, and thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.